This is Module 4. This is going to be Lesson 16, solving some word problems. Mrs. Silverstein bought 3 mini cakes for her birthday party. She cuts each cake into quarters and plans to serve each guest 1/4 of the cake. How many guests can she serve with all of her cakes? And draw a picture, it says. So I'm going to draw my 3 cakes. And I'm going to split them each into a quarter because that's what it talked about. And each person is going to get 1/4, so I'm going to count all my quarters here. And I know that she can serve 12 guests. Another way to say this, but I did need a picture, but to check my work, I can say that she had 3 cakes and she's splitting them up into quarters. And we know we keep, and then we change, and then we flip, and we would end up with 12/1, which is 12, which is the same answer that our picture just showed. Next problem is about Mr. Pham. He has a 1/4 pan of lasagna left in the fridge. So we're going to show our 1/4 pan of lasagna. Then it says he wants to cut the lasagna into equal slices so he can have dinner for 3 nights. How much lasagna will he eat each night? So he has his 1/4 of a pan of lasagna and he's splitting it into 3 pieces. So if he takes his 1/4 of a pan of lasagna and he splits it into 3 pieces, so we're going to have our 1/4 and we're going to split it up into 3 pieces. He's going to end up with 1/12. So he can eat 1/12 of a pan of lasagna. Next, we have the perimeter of a square is 1/5 of a meter. Remember that if you have a square, the perimeter is the distance around the whole entire outside. So the whole perimeter is 1/5. We need to find the length of each side in meters. So what we're doing is we're taking that this whole thing here is 1/5 and we're splitting it between 4 pieces. So we have 1/5 being split up between 4 pieces. Okay, and we have 1/5 times 1/4, and each side is 1/20. Each side is 1/20 a meter. How long is each side in centimeters? So 1/20, we got to turn that into a decimal. So we're going to turn that, go to 100. So it's 5/100, which is this. And now we're going to use our King Henry. And we're going to take this and we're going from meters. So we have 5 meters. We want to turn it into centimeters. So we're going to start here. We're going to jump 1, 2. So we'd have to jump 1, 2. So it would be worth 5 centimeters. So each side is 5 centimeters. Next, a pallet holding 5 identical crates weighs 3/4 of a ton. How many tons does each crate weigh? So we have our 5 tons, our 5 crates. Here's my 5 crates, and my 5 crates total, they all weigh 3/4 of a ton. So I'm taking my 5 crates and I'm splitting them up 3/4 of a ton. Sorry, I did that backwards for you. I have 3/4 of a ton and I'm splitting it up between my 5 crates. So I have 3/4, and I'm going to multiply it by 1/5, and I will get 3/20. So each crate is 3/20 of a ton. And that's the examples that we're going to stop at.